the Mumbaikars and Thanekars, some of you might be frustrated because of the frequent train travels and the struggles because of train traveling as well as frequent traffic jams. Some of you might be waiting for the metros in your respective areas. So right now I am standing at the construction site of Mumbai Metro Line 5, that is Thane Bhiwandi Kalyan. This is the proposed Balcom Naka metro station in Thane. Some of the metro projects in your respective areas might be completed, while some metro projects are still pending. So now this particular metro project, that is Metro Line 5, was supposed to get completed in March 2022. But now the project has still not been completed. Despite the 3 years of delay in this project, it has not yet been completed. Now in a recent development, RTI filed by activist Anil Galgali has revealed some shocking details. In this RTI response, it has been revealed that the construction cost of this project has not yet been increased. There are various concerns and mismanagement raised on the contractor. Questions have also been raised on the MMRDA who is supervising this project. Now why the delay has taken place and why the MMRDA has imposed just 20.88 lakhs on the contractor despite the delay, let's find out.
मेट्रो 5 ठाणे भिवंडी कल्याण ये रूट काफी महत्वपूर्ण है। हमने मेट्रो प्रकल्प जो डिपार्टमेंट है उससे जानकारी मांगी थी, तो उन्होंने हमको बताया कि मेट्रो 5 का काम 1 सितंबर 2019 को अपकॉन्स नाम की कंपनी को दिया गया था। ये काम 1 मार्च 2022 को पूर्ण होना आवश्यक था, लेकिन उन्होंने भी जो नई डेडलाइन दी है वो 31 मार्च 2025 है। इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट पर 900 करोड़ रुपए का खर्चा था, जिसमें अभी तक कोई बढ़ोतरी नहीं हुई है। ये अच्छी बात है। तो जिस तरह से इस काम में देरी हो रही है उसकी वजह से ठाणे भिवंडी कल्याण वहाँ के जो यात्रियों को परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है, ये मेट्रो रूट वहाँ के नागरिकों के अलावा जो सरकारी अलग अलग दफ्तर ठाणे भिवंडी कल्याण में है उनके लिए भी महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारी सरकार से इतनी मांग है कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को समय पर पूरा किया जाए ताकि लोगों को राहत देने में ये मेट्रो का जो प्रोजेक्ट है काम आ सके।
Mumbai Metro Line 5 is a project that is 24.9 kilometer long elevated corridor that connects Thane, Bhiwandi and Kalyan. This particular project was awarded to the construction company named Afcon Infrastructure Limited in 2019. It was supposed to be get completed in March 2022, but now the new deadline is March 2025. This particular project will provide interconnectivity among the Mumbai Metro Line 4, that is Kasaragod to Vadala, Mumbai Metro Line 12, that is Kalyan to Taloja, as well as the existing Central Railway project. So it's a massive project that will be beneficial to all the commuters residing in Thane, Kalyan and Bhiwandi. Now Lokmat Times have accessed these RTI documents in which it is clearly mentioned that the project cost of this Mumbai Metro Line 5 is around 898 crores. But the fine imposed on the contractor by the MMRDA is just 20.88 lakhs. So now the legitimate question that is being asked by the activist is that why such a minimal fine despite such a large cost of the project? Why not blacklist such contractors and companies that are responsible for the delay in the project?